Hey guys, I took a search trade on V101S index and you're moving in profits. You are $15 up in profits on my $570 account size. Currently running up in profits, right? So what's market analysis on this index? I'm still expecting more sales basically on V101S index. So looking at the market structure from the 4-hour time frame, we can see that this index is creating a bearish formation, a bearish structure, getting the first highs at that point, the second highs here, and possibly the third highs at this zone. These highs are lower highs formation, which is a bearish structure. So I'm currently expecting this index to sell from that current price level at least to this zone in the coming hours and minutes on V101S index. All right, so starting from a higher time frame, because you guys know that whenever you want to analyze the market, whenever you want to look at future opportunities, I start from a higher time frame, and this higher time frame can be the daily time frame, it can be the weekly time frame, and it can be the monthly time frame. So on the daily time frame of this index, we can see that we got this previous trend, which was markets being in an uptrend, and we got a break of this uptrend. Basically, we can see it here that market shifted from a bullish market, which it was here, to a bearish market. All right, we got a break of trend here, got a break of trend at this point, a break and retest of our trend support, not on resistance, that gave these sales to the downside. So we got price move in a downtrend here after the break of the previous trend, which was markets being an uptrend. Now we got the current trend, which is markets move in an uptrend. Make sure you spot the market directions, basically spot the market trends, and make sure you have a good view of where the market is headed to. Right, make sure you identify the current trend that the market is on, and we can see that we got this previous trend uptrend, the previous trend to downtrend. Now we are getting this current trend, which is market being in an uptrend. And you guys know that whenever the market is in an uptrend, we should focus on the sell side of the market. We should look at more of sell opportunities. We are up $26 in profits, $27 would say. More sales expected in the coming hours and days, basically. Right, in the coming hours and days. So going back to the daily time frame, we can see that this trend is in an uptrend, and we should actually be looking out for buy opportunities. But reasons why I saw this index is that we had a zone here, we had a level at this point, which is an important level, and we got on this previous market trend, we got a formation which is a bullish formation. We got this head and shoulders pattern formation on the daily time frame. We got the left shoulder here, the head at this point, and the right shoulder. And you guys know that on every reversal pattern we always have a neckline. So we got the neckline of this reversal pattern formation here, which I was expecting price to come retest for the sales. We first got the retest here, which gave this little sales, and now we're getting the second retest at this zone, and I'm actually expecting price to react to this level. And we have another level 2 here, another level at this point on this index, which price could still come test, because we've gotten we got a test of this level as a support the first time, the second time, and the third time at this zone. The weekly time frame structure is looking good as well, and it's clear that this index has been in a downtrend, a long-term downtrend basically, and it looked like this index broke out of this downtrend, right? Broke out of this downtrend structure, now moved in an uptrend on the weekly time frame, which I also took note of, which I also identified, and this uptrend has broken basically. So despite the little trends you are seeing on the daily time frame, we got the general trend on the weekly time frame, which is this index be in a downtrend generally. Right, this overall trend on the weekly time frame on V101S index. Right, so this index is still on a downtrend on the higher time frame, but on the lower time frame, the daily time frame, sorry, not the lower time frame basically, but the next lower time frame, that's the daily time frame, we got this little uptrend move which this index is currently on. And instead of this uptrend, instead of this downtrend, right, instead of this general downtrend, we got a formation that gave price a test of our resistance level, which produced these sales. And this formation is a bearish formation, which is a head and shoulders pattern formation, which had a neckline, which formed a neckline here, and price came to retest the neckline the first time, which we didn't get a good test of it, a good sell from it. So the second test, which I'm expecting a proper sell on the neckline of this formation, basically. So on the 4-hour time frame, I had to identify a good formation, a good level to short this index, and I was able to spot this structure, this lower highs formation, which is a very structure on the 4-hour time frame, right? And spotted this zone properly, and so that we actually had market reactions, couple of market reactions on this level, right? Checking previous market reactions on this zone, you can see price reacting on this level as a support. Let's spot the market reactions on this zone. Basically, price reaction has a support first reaction there, second reaction at this point, resistance, because there was a break of this level which was a support level previously. At this point, support here, price break below it, retested it, turning this level to resistance level, gave the sales the first time. The second test here, resistance, second test of this zone, resistance, and we got this market reaction here. So we got price test this level as a support at this point, support reaction here, right? Support at that zone, support at that point, support here too, right? Price, but from that to support at this point as well. I always make sure I spot the market reactions on this zone, the market reactions basically on these levels, to be sure that this is actually a nice level. You can see how well this index is moving, right? More sales is expected. $24 up in profit, not bad as well. $26 right now, $27. I'm expecting about $50 on this index, $50 right in profit, at least for price to sell to this point. I had 3 lowest lot size entries, that's a 0.2 lot size, and 3 0.5 entries, right? So more sales is expected basically. My SL is at this point, and I'll be having my target level, first target level probably here at this week, right? So we got market reactions on this zone previously, support here, and price played around here. Price played around at this point. Markets played around here, right? So this market reaction alone gave me the sell view that if price can actually move to this point, this level that we spotted, that price gave multiple market reactions on, if price can move to that zone, we'll be expecting possible sales from this level, adding to the bearish structure we're getting already, the 3 lower highs, and as you can see, it also got lower lows formation here. The first low at that point, first low there, the second low here, and the third low at the zone. 3 lower lows formation, right? So more sales is expected on V101S index. First target level should be here, next TP level, that's second TP level, and we could expect post market reaction from this zone on V101S index, right? So that's how I take the sell trade on this index. So I had to go to the 15-minute time frame to spot this nice formation, this nice reversal pattern formation, to left shoulder at that point, the head at that zone, and the right shoulder and here basically. So the neckline which I identified, which was my sell point on this pattern formation on the 15-minute time frame, was where I got my entry. But I had to wait for a couple of confirmations before I short this index. I would have taken my entries here, my stop loss here, and had it been I entered here, my stop loss would have been stopped out, right? But I had to wait for proper confirmations to short this index, which is another bearish formation, and we got this trend which price has broken out of as well, which added to my sell confidence on this index. So break of this uptrend and the retest of our neckline with couple of confirmations, couple of bearish structure here, I took the sells on this index. Good profit you are in right now, $25 up in profit. This $570 is likely to be up $600 plus. So this break structure identified here is a double top formation. We got the first highs at this point, and and the second high is basically here with the neckline, at this point. So it's at this neckline that I short this index. I took my sell trade, and I had my SL above the structure, above this bearish structure, would say. I had my SL here, my SL above this structure, my entries here. You can see how well this index is moving. I'm likely to place my, okay, let me set it up right now. My first CP level would be here, expecting the sales to that point on V101S index. price selling to the zone, first target level, then expecting more sales from that level to this point. All right, second TP level, let me see the top as well. Second TP level, sorry, my second TP level, SL, let me set up this SL. Then my second, sorry, stop the SL. Then my second TP level would be at this point. More sales is expected on the V101S index in the coming hours and days. Basically, we're even in good profits. $35 up in profits. I told you guys that I'm expecting these $570 to be up $600 plus, right? So that's this, guys. That was what take the sell trade on V101S index by identifying the market structure, spotting the levels and zones, then moving down to a lower time frame for my entry points. So hit the like button for more trade reviews, guys, and drop a good comment on this video. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new to the channel, and to my returning viewers, I appreciate your support. Let's engage in my videos. Chilling means a lot, guys. Let's do more and definitely.